Did you know that skipping your foam rolling routine could be weakening your immune system? Here's the science behind this surprising connection. Your body's lymphatic system, a crucial part of your immune defense, doesn't have its own pump. It relies on movement and pressure to circulate properly. That's where foam rolling comes in. When you roll those tight muscles, you're actually helping push lymphatic fluid through your body, carrying away toxins and supporting immune cell circulation. Studies show that regular foam rolling sessions can reduce inflammation markers in your blood by up to 20%, helping your immune system work more efficiently. This simple recovery tool does more than just ease muscle soreness. It's actively boosting your body's natural defense mechanisms. So next time someone tells you recovery isn't important, remember, those few minutes on the roller aren't just about feeling good, they're strengthening your immune system from the inside out. Want to know more ways foam rolling can upgrade your health? Drop a comment below.